Dear students, welcome to Army Public School PMA Resource Network. Before we start our subject, Integrated Studies, please subscribe this page and click on bell icon. Today we will study the subject Integrated Studies, Chapter 3, page number 34 to 36, Changes in the Living Things. Changes in the living things, page number 34 to 36. Dear students, today's lesson is related to your week 8 assignment, and the subtopics of today's lesson are how do animals reproduce and life cycle of animals. And I'm your teacher Imrana Gul. Objectives of the lesson are: students will be able to explain the ways of reproduction in animals and the life cycles of animals. Okay students, let's start our lesson from the topic what is reproduction. Means first of all we will define reproduction, and definition of reproduction is the ability of animals to produce the more of their own kind is known as reproduction. In other words, when animals produce the young of their own kinds, that ability of the animals is called reproduction. Let's see the importance of reproduction. Reproduction is very essential for the continuation of a species or a group of animals. In other words, we may say that it ensures the continuation of similar kind of individual organisms generation after generation. Rabbits can give birth to nearly 100 babies a year. Rabbits have many young to ensure that at least some young will survive to become adults. In this way, there are always adults to reproduce so that their kind would not die out. Now we will discuss the types of reproduction in animals or the ways of reproduction in animals. Animals have mainly two different ways of reproduction, and that are: number one, by laying eggs, and number two, by giving birth to young ones. Dear students, I think so it is clear to you in this picture that few animals reproduce by laying eggs, for example the reptiles and the birds, etc. And most mammals, including human beings, give birth to young, as it is clear from the picture of the cow and its young, and seal and its young. Okay students, now we are going to discuss the second part of our lesson, and that is the life cycle of animals. But before discussing the life cycle of animals, we have to define the life cycle. Means we have to see that what is life cycle. So life cycle is defined as a series of stages a living thing goes through during its life. Means when the living things goes through different stages of development, that stages are named as the series of the stages are named as the life cycle. And all plants and animals go through life cycles, and usually the life cycles can be shown through diagrams. Now we will discuss Stages of development in life cycles. Different animals go through different stages of development in their life cycles. As it is clear from these three pictures, in first picture there is a baby boy and he develops into the young man, and the young man develops into the old man. In second picture, the baby horse develops into the young horse, and the young horse develops into the old horse. In the third picture, the kitten or the baby cat develops into the young cat, and the young cat develops into the old cat. Students, now we will explain, or we will discuss the life cycle of animals with the example of life cycle of a chicken. Life cycle of a chicken have three stages, that are the egg, the young, and adult. In first stage, egg. During egg stage, the chick develops inside egg, and the eggshell protects the developing chick. And the third point about the first stage is the egg yolk provides the developing chick with food. Means the egg yolk is the basic source of food in the inside the egg for the chick. Now the second stage is young. The chick hatches after about 3 weeks, and the chick looks like its parents. And the third point is the chick grows to become a chicken. Now the third stage is adult. A hen adult female usually lays 1 egg each day. Dear students, the life cycle of the chicken, as explained in the table on the previous slide, is shown in the picture. Here we can see the egg, the early formation of a chick in the egg, then the embryo formation, and further the hatching of chick. And now the baby chick grows and becomes a hen or cock in the adult stage. And one more interesting point about the chick is newborn chick have a hard lump on its beak. That hard lump is named as the egg tooth, and the egg tooth is used to break the eggshell. When the chick come out of the eggshell, now the egg tooth disappears. Now the success criteria. Students have become able to explain reproduction in animals and describe life cycles of the animals. Okay students, at the end of the lesson, now you are responsible to give me the answers of these two questions, that are define reproduction and name the stages of life cycle of chicken. Thank you. Have a nice day.